Utah is my home. I love the mountains. I loved the Four Seasons, and I loved playing in the mountains in all different seasons in Utah with my family. When you work with me, you get a knowledgeable real estate agent who understands the transaction and how to strategize throughout. I'm very familiar with the Utah lifestyle and the different communities. You can know that our relationship will be based on transparency and trust. I'm Kristen Bagley, Sales Associate with Summit Sotheby's International Realty. For me, real estate is a lot more than transacting and the buy and sell of a piece of property. It's so much about the relationships. It's a privilege for me to be invited in, to be a part of someone's story. Something that I've always provided to my clients is a luxury experience. I always want my clients to feel like they can reach me and they're getting the best in the industry. Customer service is so important to me. So when I found a brokerage, a brand that offered the same thing, that believes that luxury is an experience and not a price point, it felt like the Summit Sotheby's International Realty was the perfect match for me. So when I joined Summit Sotheby's International Realty, I felt at home. I felt like we had the same primary goals. By being at this brokerage, I can be my best and offer my clients my best skills, my best services, but I'm also backed by an incredible marketing department, a team of people who help me do my job, but in a way that I'm not just passing my clients off to them, they're doing the work in the background so I can be there with my clients during the transaction. So real estate as a career has been a great fit for my family and myself. It has allowed me to work full-time and also balance that with raising kids. It's never an easy balance to be a mother and a full-time professional, but real estate offers that flexibility. It also offers the opportunity for me to teach my children how to work. They see me working, they witness me working, and I can teach them as we go. There's a 13-year age span across the 4 children. So I'm used to the chaos of children, the joys of children, teaching my daughter to drive. This is our 3rd child, teaching her to drive. It's always really exciting. On a daily basis, I spend my time as a professional and as a mother, taking my kids to and from places, trying to point out the cool history we have here that established this state, and as well as our heritage of being here for generations. It goes back far enough that my great-great-grandfather, who walked across the plains, he came here and started the Jeremy Ranch. So whenever the family's driving through Park City and Pardees Canyon, every time it comes up that was great-great-grandfather's ranch. So if you have real estate plans, they may be a couple of years down the road. Now is a really great time to start talking, to strategize, to put together more of a long-term plan so that when you're ready, you can make the decision and move forward. And I'm here today to help you put those plans together, whether you're buying or selling. I'm here to help with that.